Buying coin on Trust Wallet with debit card is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports fiat to crypto purchases using a debit card. Now create an account. Then sign up for an account on the chosen exchange. Complete the identity verification process and link your debit card to your account. After that, navigate to the Buy Sell section on the exchange and choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Now select the debit card as your payment method and enter the necessary details. Then confirm the purchase and complete the transaction. Be aware of any fees associated with buying cryptocurrency with a debit card. Transfer cryptocurrency to Trust Wallet. After purchasing cryptocurrency on the exchange, transfer it to your Trust Wallet. Then obtain your Trust Wallet's receiving address for the specific cryptocurrency you purchased and use the withdrawal or transfer feature on the exchange to send the cryptocurrency to your Trust Wallet. Now keep an eye on the transaction to ensure it is completed. Cryptocurrency transactions may take some time to confirm on the blockchain.